Twinklish kids, it's twinkle time. In a lush forest by a river, a monkey lived happily on a mango tree. Across the river lived a cunning crocodile. This is the story of how the monkeys would saved his life. One day, the crocodile's wife craved monkey's heart for dinner and asked her husband to fetch one. The crocodile, seeing the monkey enjoying juicy mangoes, devised a plan. "Hello, friend monkey," said the crocodile. "Would you like to come to my home for a feast?" The monkey, trusting the crocodile, agreed and climbed onto the crocodile's back. Midway across the river, the crocodile revealed his true intentions. "My wife wants to eat your heart." The monkey, quick thinking, replied, "Oh, dear friend, I wish you had told me earlier. I left my heart back on the tree." The crocodile, gullible, swam back to the tree. The monkey leaped to safety, saying, "You tricked me once, but never again. You will not get my heart or my friendship." The crocodile swam away, ashamed of his deceit. The moral of the story is that intelligence and quick thinking can save you from even the most dangerous situations. Trust must be earned, not given lightly. Like, share, subscribe and follow for more. Enjoy!